Historically, the healthcare industry has really been a little bit of a laggard in technology. Adventist Health System has truly been one of the technology leaders within the industry. Adventist Health System set a goal of upgrading around 15,000 devices each year to Microsoft Windows 10.
I think the biggest area that we were most concerned about with the XP to 7 transition was app compatibility.
To be able to build one OS with standard group policies, standard image practices, standard deployment practices, it really did give us that ability for us then to rapidly then take that to the next step.
So with tools like Microsoft Upgrade Analytics, it will give us the ability to have a good baseline for our field support and end user computing specialists to say, we're comfortable with this subset of devices moving to Windows 10 because we've been able to not only do our lab testing, but we've also run it against the Upgrade Analytics to see that there's a high level of confidence that this application or this device will work as designed.
We were able to quickly identify the biggest bang for the buck, and to be able to then narrow in on those use cases and target those devices first, because we knew we could knock out the largest portion of a specific business case within that department. The part of that goal was for us to rapidly start taking advantage of the new security features that are built in. We also wanted to look at stability of the OS itself. We've been able to deploy full disk encryption across the entire enterprise on every Microsoft Windows 10 device. In years past, with prior products, we did not have the same amount of flexibility.
With XP to 7, it felt very much like we were pulling the customers along. And with Windows 10, we were actually getting a lot of feedback from the customers as to when are we going to be there. My application's ready, my solution's ready, my process is ready for Windows 10. So from that perspective, it made the adoption of Windows 10 much easier. My team's a group of engineers, so anything in IT that's new, shiny, pretty, they're going to want to put their hands on it and start playing with. So the insider previews, any early releases of Windows 10, they would always have at least one of their devices running that operating system.
One area that we see being able to leverage more within our environment, in some use cases, especially perhaps mobility, has been the idea of using Windows Hello. Within healthcare, speed is of the essence. So the more rapidly, the quicker we can allow user access into a device, the faster one of our patients is going to receive care.